In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Opera browser. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch Opera's interface to the language you prefer, so menus, settings, and prompts appear in a way that's most comfortable for you. Start by opening the Opera browser on your computer. Once it's up, look to the left sidebar and click the gear-shaped settings icon. This takes you straight into Opera's settings page, where you can adjust how the browser looks and behaves. Inside Settings, find and select the Languages section. This is where Opera manages both the interface language and the list of languages available to you. You'll see languages already present on your browser, and this is also where you'll make any changes. If the language you want is already listed, you can select it here. If it isn't, click Add Languages. This opens a catalog of available options, so you can expand beyond what's preloaded on your system. Use the search field to quickly find your language by name. Typing just a few letters usually narrows it down fast, and you'll often see regional variants, so choose the one that best fits your preference. When you spot the language you want, click Add. It will appear in your list. Next to that newly added language, click the three dots to open the menu, then choose Display Opera in this language. This tells Opera to switch the entire interface, toolbars, menus, and settings to your selected language. To finish, relaunch the browser when prompted. A quick restart applies the change. When Opera reopens, you'll see the interface in your chosen language. If anything doesn't look right or you selected the wrong variant, just return to the same languages section and pick a different option using the same steps. Remember, this changes Opera's interface language. It doesn't automatically translate websites, but it does make navigating settings much easier. That's all you need to do. Open Opera, head to Settings, go to Languages, add or pick your language, set it to display Opera in that language, and relaunch to apply.